So it is Monday the 17th of May 2021 and it's a pretty special day today here in the UK because cafes are allowed people inside, and so our favourite cafe has reopened today, and me and a friend have been down there this morning. It was absolutely wonderful. It's been 7 months since we've been allowed to go in, and it's been closed for that whole time, so it was really lovely to see everybody and to just relax there. It was really good. So it's also a special day because we were allowed to hug our family again. So had a lovely hug with my brother and I'm gonna hug mum and dad tonight. So really looking forward to that. It's been a long time for us as a family. So yeah, it's a really special day. But for now, I'm going to get on with some work in the studio, and we have an order to package first, so let's get started. Hi guys, so it is now Thursday. I haven't filmed much the last couple of days because I have been planning out degree work, which is really boring for you to watch. It's just breaking down a lot of the exercises and research tasks into bite-sized bits so that I can get through it. I have this book, this little notebook, and I just write down all the kind of basically they break the tasks down into smaller bite-sized bits, and I find that works really well for me. I did try putting it all into Notion and having like a progress bar of how I was doing, but I just find writing it down better and have like little tick boxes so that I can just tick it off as I get it done, and that helps keep me on track and motivated. So I was doing that, and yeah, I've been working on this little commission as well. I'll show you a sneaky peek of that in a minute. It's almost done. I've got just like the detail of the faces to do, so I'll show you a sneaky peek, but I don't want to show too much of it because I'll be doing a separate video for the client a bit later on, so that'll be in that. And yeah, just working on a few bits for Patreon. We're currently in the process of making a product together, which will be available in my shop. Patrons will get a special discount as they're helping me create it, and we've been going through the steps of what we should make and what kind of theme it should be on. So yeah, so that's fun. And yeah, loads of little bits of admin, things like that this week, so not huge amount to film. But today I'm going to get on with that commission, and I'm also, the painting behind me, I still haven't finished the edges of it. so I'm going to go and do that now. It's had a couple of coats, but because some of the paint had kind of spilled over onto the edges, it needs covering up a few more times, so I'm going to do that. And I still need to get hold of some more fixings, I think, because I'm pretty low on those now. So I need to get hold of some of those, the right size as well for the bigger canvas. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, it'd be good to get this one up. This going in the local business centre reception area. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's come out. I've managed to get some varnish now, so when it stops raining, it's been really rainy here in the UK lately, and it's set to keep going. So when we get a break in the rain, I'm hoping to give it a good varnish outside, as it's quite big and I don't really want to be doing that indoors. So yeah, so I need to do that. I've got one more commission to finish as well that's still pending. It's at a stage where it kind of needs a bit more. You'll be able to see it if I do this. It's the one with the heart on it. It was based on my Lullaby painting that sold a couple of months ago. So yeah, I just need to figure out what else it needs, and then that will be done. And then I've got one more commission coming up, and then I think I'm going to close commissions for a bit, because I really need to work on some things for the shop and my painting series, and catch up on degree work, as I've kind of slowed right down lately because of LE passing and just finding it hard to work. So I've kind of stepped back and took breaks to help me get through this. So that's helped, and yeah, I'm kind of feeling like I really should get on with it now, because time is flying by. And as I was looking at the tasks yesterday, we got some fun exercises to do, and I think I'll be able to use my new Posca markers for one of them. So stay tuned for that. It'll either be in the end of this vlog or next, the following week's vlog. Yeah, so yeah, so there's exciting things coming up. And yeah, today I feel like having kind of a quiet day. I had a busier day yesterday, and yeah, so it'd be nice to just do some painting, chill out, and yeah, catch up on a few bits. So I'll catch you again in a bit. So I'm stopping for a tea break, and you can see a little sneaky peek on what I've been working on. This is for a Patreon video tutorial, so it's on using reference pictures, and kind of how I mix that with my own painting style, with the kind of abstract stroke, kind of whimsical representational kind of mashup that I do. So yeah, so that's a fun one. It's going well so far, and I'm really enjoying the painting. So got quite a bit more to do yet, but I'm really enjoying that. It's just nice to have a quiet painting morning in the studio, and yeah, just chill out to some good tunes, and yeah, paint really. It's nice to work on something that is my own work, and not for like commissions and stuff, even though they're amazing and I'm grateful for those. It's lovely when you get to work on your own pieces too. So really having fun with that, and probably work on the commission this afternoon. I think I'm going to call it the end of the vlog here. It is Friday. I've been editing this morning, and there's quite a few things that I'm doing in the studio that I can't really show too much of, partly because a lot of it is Patreon, and the commission is going to have another video, and like I said earlier, the degree stuff is just me jotting down notes and organising myself and things like that. So I hope you've enjoyed what I've showed you this week, and I will be back again with another studio vlog soon. Have a lovely rest of the week, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys!